Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Hey guys, we are walking on the road along with the canal. There is a big canal, as you can see. With me, there is my friend Nurulok Shorof. Hi Shorof, how are
Hi,
you?
I am fine. And you?
So those who are watching my video, say something about them, about my video. Like, comment and share this video if you like. Everyone, actually we are enjoying the beauty of nature every day. Almost every day I try to come in village areas to enjoy the beauty of nature. Everything surround us, everything is natural. As you can see, very beautiful nature. If I show you the thing, so boys are catching fish. So guys, that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.